Introducing ORGANOIL Hard Burnishing Oil Interior Surface Sealer. In this session we will demonstrate the finish using a hand sanding technique. Before you start, you will need the following items. Starting off with 600 grit wet and dry paper, sand until smooth. It is important that sawdust is retained on the surface and the paper prior to oiling. Apply the first coat liberally for overall penetration, approximately 30 minutes on softwoods, 2 to 3 hours on hardwoods. It is important to apply the second coat before the first coat has dried. The second coat should be applied sparingly. Leave for a few minutes, then commence sanding with the 600 wet and dry previously used embedded with sawdust. A slurry paste will form. This will become your grain filler and should be the consistency of toothpaste. Using a paper towel, wipe off the excess slurry paste and oil. To obtain a higher luster, commence polishing with 1200 grit wet and dry paper. This friction will generate heat to harden the oil into the timber. Finish off the project using a dry paper towel. We recommend to leave 24 to 48 hours before using. After this time, it is optional to power buff with a lamb's wool pad.